Today for lunch, Scottish eggs. You won't need another Scottish egg recipe after this one. I'm gonna start by boiling some eggs for 6 minutes. Bring that water to a boil, set a timer for 6 minutes. This leaves the yolk really runny like you typically see in Scottish eggs. When your eggs are done, make sure you take them straight off the stove and put them right into an ice bath. This will stop the cooking process. Question, I put my eggs into that boiling water and one of them blew up, like popped, blew up. Why did that happen? This recipe does call for pork sausage. I don't have that. I just have some ground pork, just over a pound. It was about 500 grams. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of parsley. Pretty much, I think I'm just gonna use this whole thing. I'm gonna use a couple teaspoons of onion salt. About 1/2 teaspoon of some sage. You could really season it, like I always say, any way you want. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I'm actually gonna try some of this all-purpose from Kinder's. I've never used it before. It does say it's mix of like garlic, spices, whatever that means, paprika. We're gonna give it a shot. Maybe a teaspoon? I don't know. I'm also thinking some of this caramelized onion butter because this goes on everything. If you haven't tried this kind before, it's absolutely amazing. Gonna season it with some ground pepper. Those seasonings together smell really good. I did boil 6 eggs. One of them completely, like I said, blew apart. Never seen that before. So we do have 5. Hopefully I have enough pork to cover all 5. If not, we'll go from there. I'm just gonna peel them. So 6 minutes leaves our egg really soft. Gonna take some of our pork filling. Hopefully this is enough. Like that. Placing our egg right in the middle, and now we're gonna carefully fold the pork around it without crushing that egg. These are gonna be really big. So that 1.2 pounds of pork that I used would have done 6, but the egg that blew up, it's just not working with me. I tried to salvage it, it's not happening. So I just added the remaining pork to these ones. I have this serving tray and I think it's gonna work absolutely perfect for my eggs, flour, and breadcrumbs. I think 2 eggs should be enough. Let's get my shoe. I'm using panko breadcrumbs. Ooh, brand new. I feel like our flour should be seasoned. Plain flour. I'm gonna add some of this other Kinder's. This is the buttery garlic and herb. For me, I absolutely love seasoning. Stronger the flavors are, the better. All right, we're taking our little Scottish eggs and we're gonna put it in the flour first. Into the egg wash. Into the panko. Oh. From our panko, just onto a plate. I'm gonna finish the rest and then we're gonna deep fry them. I don't know if you guys can tell, but these are massive. Obviously, this is optional. I'm going to make like a honey mustard sauce to go with it. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Tablespoon of honey. I really wish I had a whole grain mustard, but I do not. So I'm just using regular mustard, about a teaspoon. Maybe 1/2 teaspoon or so of rice wine vinegar. Now just some salt and pepper. I wish I had a pan big enough to deep fry, but I don't. So I'm gonna have to like shallow fry them. Just using my Paderno pan and some vegetable oil. Bringing the oil up to 350 degrees. Because I'm not submerging the entire thing, it is gonna take me a little bit longer to shallow fry. One thing I do need to invest in is a deep fryer. Hopefully it's hot enough. I'm gonna have to just slowly rotate them. Once you're sure they are cooked all the way through, we're just gonna remove them. One of our Scottish eggs. Is it cooked all the way through? obviously didn't use the right knife to cut it open. It's quite butchered, but it looks and smells delicious. That's probably the greatest thing I've ever made. Yep. That is absolutely to die for. Having that honey mustard to dip it in as well. I thought I made too many. No, this is delicious. I'm gonna eat all of them. I cut my second one a lot better. I swear, guys, these are absolutely delicious.